Hi, this is part 2 of IntelliJ navigation keyboard shortcut commands. From the editor, type Alt-1 on Windows or Command-1 to go to the projects window. To maximize any tool window, type Ctrl-Shift-Backtick on Windows or Mac. From any tool window, click Escape to go back to the editor. Click Ctrl-Shift-F12 on Windows or Command-Shift-F12 on Mac to maximize the editor again. To find the usages of a field or variable, select the field, and on Windows or Mac, type Alt F7 and the usages of the field are displayed. Type Alt 3 on Windows or Command 3 on Windows to go to the Find Usages window. If you type the same command again, it will minimize the window. Press Escape to go back to the editor and type Ctrl Shift F12 or Command Shift F12 on Mac to maximize the editor. Type Alt 4 on Windows or Command 4 on Mac to go to the console or output window when you run a program. Type Alt 5 or Command 5 on Mac to maximize the debug window. Type Alt 6 on Windows or Command 6 on Mac to go to the compilation errors window. Type Alt 7 on Windows or Command 7 on Mac to go to the class structure window. Type Alt 9 on Windows or Command 9 on Mac to go to the version control window. Type Ctrl Tab on Windows or Mac and then release the Tab key while holding the Control key. Press G or M to go to the Gradles or Maven window. Happy coding!